Welcome to retireonmybudget.com. Today we'll compare what you can get for $800 around the world. Cuenca, Ecuador. Apartment outside of center $316.43. Utilities basic $68.82. Clothing and shoes $211.27. Childcare preschool full day $208. Kazan, Russia. Apartment outside of center $284.89. Entertainment $41. Restaurants $53.69. Utilities $85.64. Clothing and shoes $247.07. Transportation $34.65. Sports and leisure $38.60. New York. Restaurants $155. Utilities $224.75. Clothing and shoes $337.60. Sports and leisure $108.17. Bali, Indonesia. Apartment outside of center $206.14. Entertainment $61. Restaurants $50. Utilities $118.48. Clothing and shoes $214.56. Transportation $15. Sports and leisure $71. Childcare preschool full day $72.34. London, United Kingdom. Restaurants $133. Utilities $297.59. Clothing and shoes $344.70. Lusaka, Zambia. Apartment outside of center $183.07. Entertainment $44. Restaurants $37. Utilities $145. Clothing and shoes $145.42. Transportation $44. Sports and leisure $48.83. Childcare $123.37. Beja, Portugal. Apartment outside of center $351.66. Restaurants $62. Utilities $146.72. Clothing and shoes $228.15. Antalya, Turkey. Apartment outside of center $160.94. Restaurants $28. Utilities $67. Clothing and shoes $178.78. Sports and leisure $32. Childcare $338.69. Lima, Peru. Apartment outside of center $297.76. Utilities $87.45. Clothing and shoes $198.98. Childcare $211.65. Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Apartment outside of center $227.79. Entertainment $36.45. Restaurants $36.34. Utilities $73.55. Clothing and shoes $221.17. Sports and leisure $73.35. Childcare $133.72. You can use retireonmybudget.com and compare various cities based on the budget. Try it for yourself. If you like the video, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. Feel free to try retireonmybudget.com and compare for yourself.